So here we have the M1 chip Mac Mini 2021. So the M1 chip is very fast, like the rendering process is very fast, the working process, the load of the CPU is very fast comparatively to the Intel chip. So basically I bought this for my home studio setup in Mumbai. On the other studio which is established in Indore, we are using Hackintosh for a long time. So this time I thought I would use this new version of the Mac Mini, which is M1. So after buying this, the M1 chip, we had a huge issue about the third-party plugins on the Logic. But after a few research with a good technician, we are now access to third-party plugins, and it is going great. Whoever finding an issue with the third-party plugins for the Logic in M1 chip, I have given the number in the description below. You can contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Stay tuned.